Are you struggling to transform your body but are confused why your efforts in the gym or with your diet aren't translating into the results you seek? Today, I will share my secrets of how to train your mind to get the body you want. You see, we've been conditioned to believe that the path to a transformed body lies solely in lifting weights, hitting the treadmill, and counting calories. But what if I told you that there's an even more potent force at play? One that can make or break your transformation, your mindset. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world, and it significantly influences your actions, habits, and ultimately your results. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of the mind-body connection to show you exactly how to use your brain, the most powerful tool you have, to get and keep the body you have always wanted by exploring the neuroscience of motivation, and why your mindset is the ultimate key to achieving all of your fitness and wellness goals. Your brain is like a powerful computer that processes information, forms beliefs, and influences your behavior. It's constantly sending signals to the rest of your body, including your muscles and organs, telling them what to do. These signals are carried by neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that cross tiny gaps between nerve cells and help them communicate with each other. And guess what? You can learn to hack these signals to work in your favor, making them your allies in achieving your fitness goals. Neuroplasticity refers to the brain's remarkable ability to change its structure and function in response to experiences, learning, and even thoughts. Your brain is not static. It adapts and rewires itself based on how you use it, kind of like a muscle. This means that you can actually train your brain to prioritize and pursue activities that align with your fitness goals. By consistently choosing to focus on nutritious food options, scheduling workouts, and engaging in positive self-talk, you can create new neural pathways that support your desired behaviors. It's like building new habits and making them part of who you are. But here's the kicker. Your brain also holds your limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns that might be holding you back from achieving your goals. These can manifest as doubts, fears, or negative self-talk that undermine your motivation and drive. For example, if you've struggled with weight loss in the past, your brain might have formed a belief that you're not good with changes to your diet or that losing weight is just not possible for you. These beliefs, while ingrained, are not set in stone. With neuroplasticity, you can challenge and reframe these negative thoughts. It's like erasing old, unhelpful programs and installing new empowering ones. Imagine your brain as a vast network of interconnected roads. The more you travel along a particular route, the smoother and wider the road becomes. Similarly, your brain has neural pathways that become stronger with repetition. When you think a certain way or engage in a particular behavior, the corresponding pathway lights up and becomes more robust. On the flip side, the pathways that you don't use often can become overgrown and less traveled. Neuroplasticity allows you to pave new roads in your brain, making it easier to reach your destination, your fitness goals. For instance, if you decide to start exercising regularly, your brain will begin to prioritize the neural pathways related to physical activity. As you consistently hit the gym, those pathways will become smoother, making it more automatic and less effortful to schedule and complete your workouts. At the same time, your brain will start to deprioritize pathways related to inactivity or unhealthy habits, which will become more challenging to maintain. So it's all about creating new habits, being consistent, and staying committed. Your brain will adapt and support you on your journey to a healthier, better body. Here are some practical ways you can influence your brain chemistry and harness neuroplasticity to fuel your fitness journey. 1. Set clear and specific goals. When you have a crystal clear vision of what you want to achieve, your brain gets into action mode. Set both short-term and long-term goals and write them down. This helps your brain process and prioritize them. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable steps so you can celebrate small wins along the way. Every achievement, no matter how small, releases dopamine and reinforces the neural pathways associated with working towards your goals. 2. Focus on the why. Dig deep and uncover the powerful reasons behind why you want to achieve your fitness goals. Is it to feel healthier, have more energy, or set a positive example for your loved ones? When you connect with your deeper values and emotions, you create a compelling motivation that can override any obstacles. Write down your reasons and revisit them regularly. This helps reinforce the importance of your goals and strengthens your commitment. 3. Practice positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations and encourage yourself just as you would a close friend. For example, instead of saying, "I can't believe I'm still struggling with this," try, "I'm getting stronger every day and I'm proud of my progress." Positive self-talk boosts dopamine and serotonin levels, enhancing your mood and motivation. 4. Reward your progress. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Treat yourself to something you enjoy, whether it's a relaxing bubble bath, a movie night, or a new workout outfit. Rewards stimulate the release of dopamine and reinforce the connection between your actions and the positive outcomes you experience. Just ensure that your rewards align with your goals. A new workout outfit is a great choice, but maybe skip the extra slice of pizza to stay on track with your nutrition goals. 5. Visualize success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Take a few moments each day to vividly imagine yourself achieving your fitness goals. Picture the positive emotions associated with that success. Visualization activates the same brain regions as if you were experiencing it firsthand, releasing feel-good neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. It's like a mental rehearsal that prepares you for success. 6. Find your tribe. Surround yourself with a supportive community of friends, family, or online groups who share similar goals and values. Having a strong support system can make a significant difference in your motivation and adherence to your fitness plan. The encouragement and shared experiences can keep you going when faced with challenges. 7. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing obstacles as setbacks, reframe them as valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. When you adopt a positive mindset and seek to learn from challenges, you'll be more resilient in the face of adversity. This growth mindset encourages your brain to find solutions and adapt, leading to greater success in the long run. 8. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful mindset that can boost your overall well-being and enhance your motivation. Take time each day to appreciate the positive aspects of your life, including your health, relationships, and the progress you're making towards your fitness goals. Expressing gratitude releases neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, contributing to a sense of happiness and fulfillment. 9. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities that promote mindfulness, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. These practices help you focus on the present moment, reduce stress, and increase your self-awareness. By calming your mind and body, you create a more conducive environment for achieving your goals. 10. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for overall health and plays a vital role in maintaining motivation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your brain processes and stores memories, including those related to your goals and habits. Adequate sleep helps you consolidate these memories, making them more accessible and influencing your behavior in a positive way. 11. Nourish your body. Fuel your body with nutritious foods that support brain health, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants provides the necessary nutrients for optimal brain function and motivation. Stay hydrated, too, as even mild dehydration can impact concentration and energy levels. Remember, transforming your body is as much a mental journey as it is physical. By understanding your brain's role in this process, embracing neuroplasticity, and implementing strategies to enhance your motivation, you'll be well on your way to achieving the body you desire. Keep in mind that consistency and patience are key. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth. With a positive mindset, unwavering belief in yourself, and the right strategies, you can unlock the incredible power within you to create the body and life you truly desire. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Also, let me know in the comments below what topics you would like to see covered in future videos. I look forward to continuing to empower you on your journey to a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching.